Back again for a look at rational expressions. I think you'll find these to be pretty easy. It's a lot like stuff you've done before, just with fractions. So here's our expression, x minus 5 over x minus 6. So you start with the knowledge knowing that x equals 10. So if I wanted to just keep it simple, I would just do 10. Since x equals 10, I can go ahead and replace this x right here with 10. So I would do 10 minus 5 over, and then I would do 10 minus 6. So I would get 5 over 4. So I'm going to go ahead and check my answer. I believe it would be 5 over 4. Okay, good. Let's try this one. This one's fun. It's not necessarily going to be added or subtracted. It's going to be multiplied here. So maybe it would help if I showed you, you just start with the expression. I'm just starting with the original expression. And then everywhere I see a b, I'm going to substitute an empty set of parentheses. So I'm going to do 7 parentheses, because b is right next to 7. Go ahead and put in a 1, and then do that negative, and then parentheses 1 minus 4. The 1 is just replacing the b in the parentheses. 7 times 1 is 7. And then negative 1, take away 4, is negative 5. So I believe my answer should be 7 over negative 5. Alright, that worked great. Alright, let me show you, let's just do another quick one. So this would be negative 1 minus 9 over 6 times 1. So that'd be negative 10 over 6. Okay, this is a good one. If I put in negative 10 over 6, I would probably get it wrong because that's not a simplified fraction. So I need to reduce that by dividing both the top and the bottom by 2. So I'm going to change that down to negative 5/3. Let's see if that's what they want. Negative 5/3. Okay, that's good. Now I'm on to something that's cubed. Not to be worried, just do 9 parentheses, negative 1 to the 3rd power over negative 1 minus 8. Okay, now at this point, I would probably go ahead and show you how to use the calculator to solve this. So I'm going to pull up my graphing calculator, and we're going to talk about how you could use the graphing calculator to solve this. So I'm going to go ahead and start, since the expression is a fraction, go ahead and put in a fraction to begin with. So I've got my fraction in there. Okay, then on the top I have 9. Then you're going to go ahead and do parentheses, and then you're going to put in your negative 1, close parentheses, and then you're going to raise that to the 3rd power. Then you're going to go down on the bottom, put in your parentheses, evaluating for negative 1, and then take away 8. And the calculator is nice enough to give us the complete answer, which is 1. So let's see if that worked. Alright, try it one more time. So start with math, go over to fraction, put in the top, so 5 parentheses, 1 parentheses to the 3rd power, go down to the bottom, do 1 minus 9, work it out, and the answer should be negative 5/8. So we're going to do negative 5/8. So I really don't think this will be too much trouble for you. Let me know if you get stuck on anything. It's pretty simple stuff.